Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe, and this is the Dbrand grip. I placed an order for this cover back in November 2017. That means it took a good 5 months to arrive over here in India. It was a crowdfunding project on Indiegogo and I placed an order in November and finally it is here. Dbrand is a well-known company all around the world for their precise skins for cell phones, laptops and all other accessories. That's why I went ahead and placed an order for this grip because I personally do trust Dbrand as I have been using their skins for a couple of years now. Now first impressions for this case is that it is really good. I read some comments from the people who have already received their orders that the grip is not up to the mark, the buttons are a little bit tight, you cannot press the buttons easily or the grip is loose or something like that. But for my case it is perfect. It is as I expected. I had a picture in mind and it is perfect. So the Dbrand grip is a bumper for your smartphone. You can customize this bumper with any of Dbrand skins, and I personally went over here with the black camo one because I think it looks best out of all the skins available on the Dbrand website. I'll drop a link to this product as well as to some skins in the description box below. And do make a note that this video is not sponsored by Dbrand. I personally love their products, that's why I'm making this video. So overall, for the first impressions, I would say that this bumper is really impressive. Now I will be using it on a daily basis with my iPhone 7 over here, and I will make a comprehensive review of this bumper maybe after a month or so that I would have a better idea about this product. So anyway, that's it, I'm done. This was a very quick video about the Dbrand grip. Do let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section down below. If you like this content, then go ahead and smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel. You can follow me on all my social media platforms. All the links as always are available in the description box below. My name is Harsh Punjabi and I'll see you guys in the next one.